Hi, I'm Maxine and I'm the Accelerator Manager at MAP. What you can expect from MAP in 2018. A better sense of direction and guidance with where you want to grow your business. We are organizing a whole new series of themed lunches and mentor dinners to connect you with people in our community who are supportive, who are there to share their stories and there to help you out as founders. If any of this sounds exciting to you, head down to the MAP18 Application Workshop Mixer on the 21st of March. We'll get to meet with the MAP team, some of our founders, our entrepreneurs in residence, and we'd love to learn more about you and your company. Be sure to join the conversation at MAP Unimelb on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.